So we're just on our way to Manchester Airport. This is our first ever vlog.
Yes.
We're going to Hong Kong, Shanghai, Disneyland. If you follow us on Instagram, you already knew that.
Can't wait, it was my birthday surprise wedding.
Yeah, I am a very good fiance and I surprised him for his 21st birthday.
Huge surprise.
Yeah. First stop is the airport, and we have got fast track through security, haven't we?
Yeah.
That came with our 1903 lounge reservation, so we're really looking forward to the lounge.
Yes.
Food and drink all included.
We're currently on an empty train to Manchester Airport, aren't we? It was our luggage here next to us, it's rolling around everywhere, but
we cannot wait to get rid of all that luggage.
at least the train's empty.
Yeah. So are our cases.
Yeah.
Our cases, they look a lot, but there's not much in them because we're expecting to buy a lot. So keep your eye out for a good haul.
Yes, we can't wait to film that.
No, we can't wait to buy the stuff first.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll check back in with you when we get to the airport, and we are in the lounge.
Yeah.
See you later.
So we're now in Manchester Airport, we've checked in, we've gone through the security,
Yeah.
fast track.
It was amazing. There was a massive queue, and we just went straight to the front.
Yeah.
And we literally, we felt a little bit rushed because it was so quick, didn't we? We had to like, get our MacBook out of the bag and stuff like that, didn't we?
Yeah. That's nice then. Keeping that on queue though, weren't it?
Yeah.
I just had some in breakfast at, what time is it now?
It's just gone 11 o'clock in the morning.
And now we're just relaxing. We've got a few hours until our flight.
In the 1903 lounge.
Yeah, having a few drinks.
And it's really nice.
Yeah.
The food's nice, isn't it? Everyone, all the people who work here are really nice.
Really nice food, nice drink, unlimited drinks.
Help yourself.
Looking over the runway.
Yeah. That's our view.
Stop the runway now.
Through the dotty window.
Through the dotty window.
And then there's already going to be some footage of the food and of the actual lounge itself. But yeah, it's really nice and it's definitely worth the money.
Definitely worth it. So this was £30 wearing it, but it came with free fast pass.
It's got free Wi-Fi in here.
Free Wi-Fi.
All food and drink.
Yeah, so it's definitely worth it.
Yeah, £30 per person, yeah. You spend more than that like going to somewhere else to eat, so.
Definitely. There's not much in Terminal 3 at Manchester, so it's a nice little getaway. And yeah, nice little time.
How long have we got till our next flight? Until our first flight, should I say? About 2 hours, haven't we?
So we've got a few hours, so we're just going to stay in here and then we'll show you on the plane when we get there.
Yeah. So, see you again soon.
See you soon.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So we landed in Amsterdam.
Yep, we've got an hour and 20 stop now.
Yeah, just over an hour, isn't it?
Yeah.
The first flight was, once you were up, you were down, wasn't it? Was it like 50 minutes? It wasn't even an hour.
It was early as well, which is more time, so no panicking in between stops.
No, and it's so easy to transfer here. You just walk straight to the next gate, so we're just waiting around.
We've got comfy in our joggers now because we've got an 11-hour flight. So.
We bumped into Mickey Mouse as well in Amsterdam Airport.
Yes, which you'll see on our Instagram.
Yeah, so
yeah,
That's it. We'll
updated.
yeah, we'll catch up with you once we're on the plane, and then probably not until we get to Hong Kong, because we're going to try and sleep as much as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you later.
Less than an hour to go.
Thank you very much. Bye. It's hot. Hiya.
Bag number 1. Hard to spot.
So we're in Hong Kong. We've got 4 minutes to the next train into the city, so we need to be really quick. The flight was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really good. We slept like 7 hours, weren't it?
7 out of the 11 hours. That line is not very good to turn around. That's better.
So, all went as planned. We feel refreshed for a full day in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
It's weird that it's 3 AM
At home.
and I feel like
It's like 10 AM here, so
yeah.
we've got a full day ahead of ourselves. We need a shower.
Yes.
So first up is the hotel, isn't it?
Yes, we'll freshen up, change clothes, and ready for a new day.
Yeah.
Might get a bit of food for because I'm absolutely starving.
We missed our tea on the or dinner on the plane because we were fast asleep. We were alright for breakfast, but
It's eggs, I don't like eggs, so I'm going to start there again.
I enjoyed it. It was really nice. The KLM flight was really, really nice. The seats that we had were amazing.
Yeah, definitely worth it.
The cabin crew were nice.
Yeah.
We had our whole row to ourselves. No one was on our row, so we had like a middle seat to have our last suites on.
Yes, that helps sleep, doesn't it?
Yeah, we had more space to sleep. And
Tickets, Airport Express.
and we got to go to Tingyi. That's the and then change and go to Sunny Bay, and then change again and go to Disneyland Resort. So yeah, it shouldn't take too long though. It's only one stop on each of the 3 lines. So
Yeah. So yeah,
see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
So cool.
I know. Look where we are.
Finally here.
Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. We've still got our bags, so we need to go to the hotel. It is so hot and
It is
humid.
so cool. I'm in I'm in black tracky bottoms.
We should have changed on the plane. I was like, no, we won't, because we're cold. We're cold on the plane because of the aircon.
It is so hot, so we're
So hot.
go check in now, get a shower, get ready, and go out to Hong Kong first.
Yeah.
Today.
We're not doing Disney today, but we still get some Disney magic from on the metro and walking through here into the hotel. So, and then we're going to head to the Buddha. So, see you in the room.
See you in the room.
Oh, yeah. So your shorts then?
Nothing left out. What were we then? 8698. Wow, this is so cool.
Can you hear Mickey and Minnie talking in Mandarin? Top floor, as? Oh no, we're not. Ninth is top.
Nearly top.
Thought we were penthouse then.
This is amazing.
Oh my god.
Look, we did that.
Where's the badge gone?
Here's your
Somewhere.
Ooh, I'm excited. You in?
I'm in.
Oh, I love it.
Love it. Let's go see the view.
Wow. Look, there's our sea racer. You might be able to
Oh,
see
yeah.
the camera, but
So zoom in.
yeah. Can you see it there? Look there.
Just the top
just
of our
about.
series there. Amazing.
So we're just at the hotel now. We're going to freshen up because we need
We
a
need
shower.
it.
It's so hot.
So hot, so humid. We've not showered in like 24 hours since we got on the first plane.
Yeah. So we're going to have a quick wash and then we're just going to head straight out to Hong Kong, aren't we?
Yeah, so this will be the end of our travel day vlog, I think.
Yeah, so thanks for watching our travel day. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped.
Yeah.
If you're planning your own trip as well.
Like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Disney for Men. And we are in the room now, but we need to freshen up. And sadly, we can't get on the beds. But we'll do a room tour in a separate video.
Yeah.
So, see you
Thanks for watching.
soon.
See you soon.